Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Ian, and welcome to the Fit Man Style channel, the place where we discuss all things style related for the fit man. If you're new here, check out my older videos so you can see what I've been doing for the past year and a half and catch up to speed. If you're not new here, welcome back, and let's get into today's very interesting topic. Now, I am the furthest thing away from a tailor. Tailoring, the art of tailoring, is best left to the professionals. But I understand things happen on the fly. You know, you have a wardrobe malfunction that happens right before you're about to go to a gala, a party, a date, dinner with friends and family, and you may have the money, but you damn sure don't have the time. Or maybe you do have the money and the time, or maybe you're just curious on how to do this. So in this video, I'm gonna do a DIY attempt on how to sew in suspender buttons on your pants. If you missed it a couple weeks ago, I did a video on why I feel suspenders and braces are a good fit for the fit man. And if you missed that, I'm gonna link that up. But this is how you connect those braces to your pants. So I'm gonna do this for the first time on camera and see how it goes. These are what you would need to get the suspenders sewed into your pants. You need a needle, of course. You need a thread. Now, they say get a color thread that's similar to the interior of the pants. Yeah, you can do that, but you can get any color thread, in my opinion. I mean, it's gonna be sewn on the inside, so no one's gonna see it. You need 6 suspender buttons that I got here, and let me just take one out so you guys can see how different these buttons are. Unlike your regular buttons that you would see on pants or shirts, these buttons are slightly different. If I can bring this up close, you can see it's a little bit bigger, a little bit more round. So these will be the suspender buttons to look for if you're looking to sew these into your pants. So a little bit bigger than your regular buttons. So you need 6 of those. So 2's gonna go here, 2's on the back, and 2 on the other side of the pants. You're gonna need some sort of marker. I'm using a red marker here. Other people have used chalk before, and that's okay. Chalk wouldn't show well on this, but if you had like black pants or navy blue pants, you can use chalk. And of course, you need your desired pants. These are my custom pants that I had made earlier this year from Joseph Abood. I'm gonna link that up in case you guys missed it. They have a really great program over at Menswear, and that's where I got this made. And you need a tape measure as well. All right, so on these pants, there is a stitching right here that I'm gonna use as a guide. So I'm gonna put the button right below that stitching. But if your pants doesn't have that, that is about, I believe that's about a 1/2 inch from the top. Yep, about 1/2 inch from the top. So you can measure that on your pants, 1/2 inch from the top. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure 1.5 inches from the beginning of the waistband, and I'm gonna mark it right there. Now they say the distance between the buttons should be about 2 to 3 inches. So I'm gonna keep it at a safe bet and say 2.5. So I'm gonna measure 2.5 from that mark. And that's where the 2 buttons are gonna go. So one button's gonna go right there, and the other one is gonna go, if I can get this thing open, it's gonna go right there, okay? So I'm gonna do that on the other side, but let me quickly show how I'm gonna attach the 2 buttons on the back. So still keeping with the 2.5 distance. So 2.5 divided by 2 would be about 1.25 inches. So I measure 1.25 inches from the seam. So 1.25 inches, that's 1.25 inches to the left. Let me get this right. 1.25 inches to the left, and 1.25 inches to the right. There you go. So the other 2 is gonna go there, and then the last 2 2.5. All right, so now that we've got it marked, let's get to sewing. I'm done. Got the 6 buttons there, got 2 on the back and 2 on the side. Now, when you have a wardrobe malfunction, the whole purpose of a DIY is to patch it up for the duration of the event that you're going through. But definitely recommend that once you're done with that event, you take your garment, whether it's pants or shirt, to a tailor and have them patch it up for you, because they're more professionally trained for that. This is just to hold it up for whatever event you're going to. But I think I did an okay job. So now is the moment of truth to see if these things actually hold up. So I'm gonna wear these with some braces and see if I did all right or not. This is the beauty of doing these videos. I make mistakes along the way and I'm tempted to completely leave it out of the video, but I won't. I'm gonna leave it in so you guys can learn from my mistakes. Based on those prior measurements, as you can see to your left, those braces are a little bit close to the zipper and it shouldn't be that way. Rather, what one should do is, if you're sewing buttons on flat front pants, the first button should line with the crease of those pants. And if you're sewing buttons on pleated pants, the first button should line with the first pleat or only pleat of those pants. As you can see, I adjusted it so it looks better. It looks evenly dispersed, but the 2 to 3 inch space between the first and second button still applies. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, every man who's into menswear should know basic tailoring. Like if a button pops up on your shirt, you should learn how to sew that button back. But I feel like suspender buttons are a little bit of an art and requires more technique. So I'm either going to leave that to the tailors or I'm going to do that over and over again with different pants and get better at it. Because as they say, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching this video. If there's any other DIY attempt videos you would want me to do, let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know what you thought about this video down in the comments. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back in the next video. But until then, stay fly and stay fit.